Hey there, business owners. Are you tired of your emails bouncing back like a bad penny? Well, I've got some good news for you. Meet Reoon Email Verifier, your new best friend in the email marketing world. Click the link in the description below and get your special discount now. So what's the deal with Reoon? Imagine this. You've crafted the perfect email campaign. You hit send, and half of those emails end up in the abyss of dead inboxes. Frustrating, right? That's where Reoon swoops in like a superhero. Reoon is a cloud-based email verification service. It's like having a bouncer for your email list, kicking out all the invalid, inactive, or risky email addresses. You can verify single emails or entire lists, and even use their live API for real-time verification. Plus, it integrates with platforms like WordPress. Handy, huh? Now let's talk pricing. Reoon offers a free tier. Yes, free. Perfect for dipping your toes in the water. And if you need more, their tiered pricing plans cover daily and lifetime credits. It's flexible, affordable, and you pay for what you need. Customers rave about Reoon's accuracy, over 99%, and its speed. We're talking 0.5 seconds per verification via API. That's like email verification at the speed of light. And with their dynamic temporary email detection, those pesky throwaway addresses don't stand a chance. But wait, there's more. Reoon is all about data privacy. They automatically delete submitted emails after 15 days, so your data is safe and sound. The market response? Overwhelmingly positive, with an average rating of 4.9 out of 5.0. Users love the accuracy, speed, and ease of use, and who can blame them? So why waste time and money on invalid email addresses? Let Reoon handle the heavy lifting. Click the link in the description below to get your special discount on Reoon Email Verifier. Trust me, your email marketing game will never be the same. Clean lists, better deliverability, and a rock-solid sender reputation. What's not to love? All right, that's it for now. Remember to click the link below and grab your special offer. Happy emailing.